Good afternoon and welcome to the Weber's Property Market Update. My name is Malcolm Prescott, Managing Director of Weber's Property Services, and we have 13 offices covering Somerset, Devon and Cornwall with sales and letting solutions in each one of our offices. Well, we're here in March, and March of course heralds the beginning of the spring season, which is traditionally a very busy time for the property market here in the southwest. Indeed, I'd say right across the country, when the flowers start to come out and we've got the brighter skies, slightly longer evenings, that's when we start to see the property market really swing into action. And if we look at our statistics in the early part of this year, that seems to be the case. Property sales are circa 20% up on this time last year, and our friends at Rightmove support our statistics, which is to show there's circa 8% more people looking to buy property. The demand is higher. What about our viewing to sale ratio? The viewing to sale ratio is essentially how many viewings does it take to sell a property? Well, that has dropped a little. That's now down to 10 to 1. So 10 viewings to every sale. Previously it was an 11 and even 12 to 1. So that's another indicator that the property market is moving along. The average price in the southwest is now £377,000, and that's crept up yet again. If you look at the last quarter, reports suggest there's been another 1% or so increase in house prices in the southwest. And the expectation this year is that house prices will rise yet again, but not by a great deal. Most commentators are suggesting between 3 and 5% by the end of the year. And that, of course, is supported by the fact that the bank have brought rates down to 4.5%, and the expectation is that there will be one further drop by the end of the year. So all of those facts seem to show that what we have is, I would say, positive sentiment. There are more people out there who are looking to move, and there is plenty of choice. Our stock is some 30% up on this time last year, so there are plenty of properties to choose from. And there are some excellent new homes as well. Our local developers have some fantastic new property for sale as well. So it's not just the second-hand market that's moving along, new homes as well. So this is a good time to sell, but of course the next stage, if you're thinking of a move, is to find out what the value of your property is. And that's where we come in. If you would like us to come to your property and talk to you about the value of your home, the best method of sale, and really the best time to sell for your property, give us a call our local office, and one of our valuers will be very happy to call along and give you a personal marketing plan as to how to get the best price for your property. We'd be pleased to meet you and hope you have a great move this year if you decide to move. Thanks very much. Good afternoon.